Strength Training for Beginners. Welcome to Fitness Unveiled Hub. This video is a beginner's guide to strength training, covering fundamental exercises, equipment recommendations, and essential form tips. Whether you're new to working out or seeking a solid foundation for strength training, this video provides valuable insights to help you embark on a safe and productive fitness journey. Discover the basics and get started with confidence. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Squats. Squats are a foundational strength training exercise that's ideal for beginners. They target multiple muscle groups, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and lower back, making them an efficient choice for building overall strength. To perform squats, one simply stands with feet shoulder width apart, lowers the body as if sitting in a chair, and then rises back up. Proper form is crucial to avoid injury. Squats can be done with just body weight or with added weights as beginners progress, offering a versatile and effective way to boost strength and muscle development. Number 9. Push-ups. Push-ups are a fundamental strength training exercise perfect for beginners. They require no equipment, making them accessible for anyone and anywhere. This exercise primarily targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also engaging the core and back muscles for stability. To perform a push-up, start in a plank position with hands under your shoulders, lower your chest to the ground, and push back up. Beginners can start with modified versions, such as knee push-ups, and gradually work towards full push-ups. Push-ups are a versatile and effective way to develop upper body strength and build a strong foundation for more advanced exercises. Number 8. Dumbbell rows. Dumbbell rows are an excellent strength training exercise for beginners, focusing on the upper back and biceps. With a dumbbell in each hand, beginners can perform this exercise by bending at the hips, keeping a slight bend in the knees, and pulling the weights up towards the hips. It helps in improving posture and balancing out upper body muscle development. Maintaining a straight back is essential to prevent injury and ensure proper muscle engagement. Beginners should start with a light weight and gradually increase it as they build strength. Dumbbell rows are a valuable addition to a beginner's strength training routine, promoting a well-rounded upper body workout. Number 7. Deadlifts. Deadlifts are a powerful full-body strength training exercise, and while not strictly for beginners, they can be incorporated into a beginner's workout regimen with proper guidance and precautions. This compound exercise targets the lower back, glutes, hamstrings, and also engages the core and upper body. To perform a deadlift, stand with your feet hip-width apart, bend at the hips and knees, and lift a barbell from the ground, maintaining a straight back throughout. Beginners should start with light weights, focusing on perfecting their form before adding more weight. Deadlifts are invaluable for building functional strength, enhancing posture, and aiding in everyday activities. However, it's crucial for beginners to prioritize proper form to prevent injury. Number 6. Body weight. Body weight exercises are an ideal introduction to strength training for beginners, as they require no equipment and are adaptable to any fitness level. These exercises use your body's own weight as resistance, making them accessible and effective. Push-ups, squats, planks, and lunges are examples of body weight exercises that target various muscle groups. They help develop functional strength, improve balance, and enhance flexibility. Beginners can easily modify these exercises to match their capabilities, gradually progressing to more challenging variations as they get stronger. Body weight exercises are not only convenient. Number 5. Planks. Planks are a fundamental strength training exercise and a perfect choice for beginners. They primarily focus on building core strength and stability, which is essential for overall fitness. To perform a plank, one assumes a push-up position with the elbows under the shoulders and maintains a straight line from head to heels. This simple yet highly effective exercise engages not only the abdominal muscles but also the lower back, hips, and shoulders. It promotes better posture, alleviates lower back pain, and enhances overall strength. Planks are versatile, allowing beginners to start with shorter durations and progressively increase their endurance as they become more proficient, making them an excellent foundation for a strength training routine. Number 4. Consult a professional. Consulting a professional is a critical aspect of a safe and effective strength training journey for beginners. Trained fitness instructors or personal trainers can provide personalized guidance, helping beginners develop a suitable workout plan based on their goals and fitness level. They offer expert advice on proper exercise form and technique, reducing the risk of injuries. Professionals can also address individual needs, whether it's tailoring exercises for specific goals or accommodating any physical limitations. This guidance ensures that beginners receive the most benefit from their efforts while minimizing the potential for setbacks. Seeking professional input is a smart investment in one's health and fitness, especially when embarking on a new strength training program. Number 3. Resistance bands. Resistance bands are a fantastic tool for beginners in strength training. They are affordable, portable, and versatile, making them an excellent choice for home workouts or when access to traditional gym equipment is limited. These bands provide variable resistance, which is beneficial for individuals at different fitness levels. They can be used to intensify bodyweight exercises such as squats, lunges, and push-ups. Resistance bands also allow for a full-body workout, targeting various muscle groups like the legs, arms, and core. Additionally, they are gentle on joints, reducing the risk of injury, and are suitable for rehabilitation exercises. For beginners, resistance bands offer an accessible and effective way to build strength and improve overall fitness. Number 2. Dumbbells. Dumbbells are a valuable asset for beginners in strength training. These handheld weights come in a range of sizes, allowing beginners to start with lighter loads and progressively increase the weight as they gain strength. Dumbbell exercises are versatile, targeting various muscle groups and promoting balanced muscle development. They offer a wide array of exercise options, including bicep curls, shoulder presses, and lunges, making them suitable for a full-body workout. Additionally, they help improve stability and engage stabilizer muscles, enhancing overall strength and control. Dumbbells are user-friendly, making them a smart choice for beginners looking to build muscle, boost metabolism, and achieve fitness goals effectively and safely. Number 1. Start with a light weight. Starting with a light weight is a fundamental principle in strength training for beginners. It's vital for several reasons. First, it allows newcomers to focus on mastering proper form and technique without risking injury. Lighter weights help establish a solid foundation, ensuring that muscles are worked correctly. Second, beginning with a manageable load helps prevent overexertion, allowing the body to adapt gradually. This reduces the likelihood of muscle strains or joint injuries. As beginners progress and their muscles adapt, they can gradually increase the weight, promoting steady gains in strength. Thus, starting with a light weight is a wise approach to safe, effective, and sustainable strength training for those new to the practice. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.